Hi guys, good morning. We are on our way to Ilocos. It's currently 6:18 a.m. Nag-start kami magbiyahe around 5 a.m. Since pa Ilocos kami, around 8 hours yung biyahe papuntang Lawag pa lang. So dun kasi yung Airbnb namin sa Lawag. Wala lang, mag-vlog lang ako for this trip. Nandito na kami sa NLEX. Marami pang dadaanan to. NLEX, SCTEX, TPLEX, tapos basta yung sa may Ilocos proper. So ayun, bye-bye!
The last time if I recall was the feeling of being alone. I don't know if
Hi guys! First stopover namin is sa Lakeshore, dito sa Petron. Hello!
Hello,
Ano sasabi mo?
natok ako.
Long way to go pa.
ticket home is there. I really miss the shade of blue. Just take it slow. I'll wait to find love. Better hear the call again. For now I will feel the ocean view. And I pray that it won't be over soon.
SCTEX na kami! 7 hours and 14 minutes to go bago kami makarating sa Airbnb namin sa Lawag City. See you! Baby, Ilocos Norte na. Hi everyone! So, hindi na ako nakapag-video yesterday pagkapunta namin dito sa Airbnb namin. Pero, we're currently here pa sa Airbnb sa may San Nicolas, Ilocos. Ayun, sobrang pagod ng biyahe kasi parang almost 12 hours kami nagbibiyahe. Including na yung mga stopovers doon. Nakatatlong stopover kami so far. Yeah, sobrang pagod lang. From the POV ng driver. Pagka punta rito, pahinga agad and then early rest para today, sakto, gagawin na namin yung nasa itinerary namin, which is yung first stop namin is sa Poway Church. Let's go!
Believing, and now I've never seen a better sight.
Hi guys, so we are now here sa Poway Church.
Wow, it's so nice.
This is actually our first stop sa itinerary namin. Very chill lang yung itinerary namin, di ba babe?
Yes.
Dito na kami, ang ganda. Video
Rest
muna.
your head upon my shoulder, but I'll be grateful just to hold you, 'cause I love to spend time with such a dime. So I'll just ask this simple question.
Magkano po?
Pwedeng halo po, pwedeng isang pwede. Capture o cone?
Cone po. We got ice cream. Cheers. Dragon fruit, avocado, tsaka manga. Okay, we're done here sa Pawai Church. And now we're going to Malacanang of the North. Okay, let's go. Bye. Kumain lang kami ice cream dito. Hi. Hi guys, so bumili na kami ng ticket here sa Malacanang of the North worth 70 pesos each. So 140 kami dalawa. Na-share ko lang. Hi! It's currently 11:45 a.m. After namin magpunta sa Malacanang of the North. Nandito na kami ngayon sa SM City Lawag. So, ito yung SM nila dito. Nandito kami sa parking. And magpa-park lang kami para mag-lunch dito. Tapos, mamaya is tutuloy namin yung nasa itinerary namin. Bye! Hi guys, so we're gonna be eating here sa Nabe. It's our first time eating here. It's a Japanese hot pot restaurant. Meow.
Ito, beef ball. Gusto ko yung beef ball. Isa-isay natin. Lobster ball. Isa.
Kimchi.
Oh.
Okay, we've done our exam.
Pass na kami sa exam. Ito sa'yo.
Para kulang na nag-iinit. Strawberry foam latte.
One strawberry foam latte ice, 4 per to go ba?
To go. And isa yung Uji Kyoto matcha.
Per to go din ba?
So, meron kami dito foam coffee. Meron lang nito sa may Baguio, dito sa Ilocos, sa Pampanga, and sa Antipolo, I think. Kay Binchokoy, ang kanyang drink ay strawberry foam latte.
Yeah. Non-coffee.
A non-coffee one, lagi naman. And of course, tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang aking matcha streak. I got Uji Kyoto matcha. Tada!
How much is this?
That's 195. This one's 220. So, same price ng matcha ng Starbucks. Pero, ito kasi maliit lang. Cheers! Oh. Milky siya. Nasa creamier side siya. Update. So, after namin mag-lunch, 1.5 hour kaming nag-travel papunta dito sa may Burgos, Ilocos Norte. Tignan nyo guys, nandito na yung mga windmill. Ayan. So, pupunta kami ngayon sa Kapurpurawag Rock Formation. Hello! Are you good?
Always.
Ayun, bye! Daan na kami sa Kapurpurawan Rock Formation. Ito yung print ng picture namin, guys. Enjoy naman. And yung horse ko is 16 years old na. That's why chill na lang siya magganyan-ganyan. Feel ko yung sa'yo, medyo bata pa yun. Bye-bye! Wow! Trusted ka na agad ah. Hi guys! Last day here sa Ilocos. And we're currently here sa Vegan. Kalya Crisologo. Pogi naman ito. Hey guys, we are out here sa streets ng Vegan to find PPI ATM. We're exploring Vegan Day. Gotta be a long time. Dito pala, dito ka. Hi guys! It's currently 3:30 p.m. and this is our first stopover from Vegan. So, nandito kami sa La Union muna para kumain ng late lunch. Nandito kami sa Fat Wave Resort. Say hi!
Hello.
So, ito yung food. Inihintay pa namin. We got dynamite.